a place in Cavite. Above us is nothing else but a monster cloud. The Zabu. That cloud extends to there, extends to there, more farther. Again and it go there, and it goes straight there, and that one goes there, and there, and there, and there, until we can't see it. We'll have to check out the most farther. Oh shoot. That is the line and extends up to there.
That is fair cloud.
Almost this whole subdivision is covered by this monster cloud. Yes, I am. Except for that portion. That's the only smallest portion. But the cloud is occupied. It's a big monster cloud. Trying to say, mothership is as big as that monster cloud. That's I am, the new comrade. And that's Abu. And that's for Apple. Bye-bye. Be wary of your cloudy surroundings. Sometime there may have been a UFO going around right these days. You'll never know what's hiding in this